What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mirror coming back again on another YouTube video. As y'all can see, I'm finna be getting y'all another little POV drive. But before I do get y'all a POV drive, I gotta take my car to the shop because my car is leaking coolant, antifreeze or whatever, I don't know. It's leaking coolant, so I gotta go get that checked out. But yeah, got big all year. And another thing, somebody had mentioned my bumper in the comments. I ain't get hit or nothing. I don't know what happened. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't know. I was at a takeover probably, and I ran over a pothole. It was a big ass pothole too. I think that's what had happened, but I ain't hit nobody or nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna get this checked out. I ain't gonna worry too much about that, cause you know, it is what it is. But as y'all can see, got the Scat mobile outside. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm finna go get my car checked out, see what's wrong with it, type shit. And then when I come back, when I get out the shop, I'm finna get y'all the POV drive. So y'all stay tuned, man. But I'm finna show y'all. I hope it's not low. It probably is. I gotta go get some more probably. Oh, it's a bug. Oh, it ain't even that bad. But yeah, I'm still finna go get it checked out. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share this video. Also, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram. It's gonna be in the description. Check out that link. And I'm gonna put it up here, wherever. So make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. And again, if y'all looking for people to drive with, y'all go DM me and shit. So, yeah, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, but y'all know I gotta give y'all a little cold start before I leave. Gotta get y'all a little cold start. But as y'all can see, it's not that bad, but you know, I don't want my engine to blow up. So, you know, I'm finna go get that fixed. So, you know, hopefully it don't hurt my pockets, but we gonna see when I get up there. And then I'm finna get y'all the POV drive. So y'all go stay tuned for that. Don't skip through the video. Watch the whole video. Cause I already know y'all like to skip through the video. Don't skip through that. Watch the whole video, bro. But I'm gonna give y'all a little something before I do go. It's a little song. I can't do too much because I don't want my engine to blow up. I don't even, bro. It's a small ass leak. That shit not even big. Like, that shit not even leaking fast. Cause I had put something in yesterday, and then it's still damn near like filled. It's still like filled for real. But I don't know what's going on. I'm finna just get it checked out. So I'm at the little mechanic shop. They said it's gonna be like 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours, y'all. But it's cool though. He said $650. I think they said what the fuck wrong? It was like it was a water pump failure, or water some failure that's making my coolant leak. Y'all let me know, am I getting ripped off for $650 if that's how much it costs to replace the little water pump? Or whatever they said, I don't even remember. But if y'all know, let me know if $650 a ripoff, or they scamming my ass. But I'm gonna get back to y'all once I leave this place. So I'm gonna be here for a good 2 to 3. Actually, I'm not even gonna be here. Someone picking me up, then I'm gonna come back over here to get my car. Then I'm gonna start the video. So probably, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all once I get my car back. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, we just left the mechanic shop. So right now. Finna get y'all the video. Hey, it's been 3 hours, 4 hours. Damn, I'm just dropping everything. But yeah, I'm finna do the video for y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all once I get on the road, man. But before we start out that video, y'all know we gotta go to the gas station. Y'all know we gotta go to the G station. We always gotta go to the G station before we cut up on the E-way. Hell no, I want no receipt. I'm gonna put a cool little 40 ball up in here. Cool little 40 ball. I'm gonna need some brakes. Cool little 40 ball. Cool little 40 ball for y'all. But I'm finna get on the E-way right now. I'm finna cut up. So I'm gonna catch y'all once I get to the. Damn, look at 12. They are just sitting right there. They looking for me. Hell no, ain't nobody looking for me. But I'm gonna catch y'all once I get on the E-way. All right, y'all. On the road. Getting on the E-way. Damn. Get y'all a little cutting up, cause my last POV drive I couldn't really cut up, but I'm finna get y'all something. I'm finna get y'all something now. Window up. This nigga on his motorcycle. Get y'all a little some. Y'all let me know how y'all messing with these POV drives. For real, let me know how y'all messing with these. Shit. Look, we got dude cutting up with me. Hell no. Boy, Chicago roads bad. This is terrible. Oh my goodness. White line. White line. White line. White line. I'm out this big going crazy. Y'all probably can't hear my car because I got the windows up, but it's cool though. I know y'all can hear it a little bit. White line. I don't even know white line. It's 7 p.m. Right? But yeah. It's 7 p.m. Friday. Yeah. What the fuck? Motherfuckers probably like, this nigga crazy. But guess what? I don't get not 1, 2, or 3 fucks. The fuck is you talking about? Fuck is you talking about? The fuck out the way. Look at that 12 out here. Popos should speed past their ass too. Fuck 12. Should have sped past their ass. Man, what the heck? What is that? Oh, hecky nah. Man, what the hell was that? Let y'all hear something. Got his window down. I don't want it all the way down. No. See, if y'all know about this, getting off on what's this like Stony Island over here off the E-way, y'all already know it's traffic right here. Oh god, y'all already know it's traffic right here. I'm really pushing my shit after I just got it from the shop. That is crazy, y'all. That's crazy. That's crazy work, so I'm not gonna lie. I remember that. Oh, what is that? That better be a water drop. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna lie, I might need to go get some brakes because that's why my ABS light turning on. I ain't even gonna lie. Either that or I'm braking too hard or something making my shit turn on. So I gotta go get that checked out. It's just always something wrong with this car. Like Dodge is just, there's something wrong with this car. Scats. Y'all be prepared to be at the shop with this motherfucker. Like, man, it's all starting to hit me now. I ain't gonna lie. It's all starting to hit me now. Stony Island. We on that Stony Island. People out, boy. Don't nobody care about the speed limit over here at all. Shit, this USPS truck, dude. God. Come on, drive. Now y'all want to drive slow. Motherfuckers don't ever drive slow on this road. A lot of grease. Low-key need some new brakes, y'all. It's about that time. It's about that time. I need some new brakes. Dang, ain't nobody outside. It's Saturday, I'm surprised. Downshift. Ooh. Ooh. No, boy. Oh, I wasn't even recording, y'all. That just blew me. Dang, it's cool. I cut his ass off. Now he trying to race to get in front of me. Downshift. Ooh, them tunnel downshifts. Ooh. What in the world? Oh, these tires spin. Oh my gosh. But alright, YouTube, that is gonna be the end of the video. So make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, comment, man, share this video, do all that, man. All that. Run this video up, man, bro. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.